So, you want to be a polymath? A polymath is someone who masters multiple trades, designing like an artist, building like an engineer, and strategizing like a CEO. If that sounds like you, you've clicked on the right video. There's never been a better time to be a polymath, especially in a world where academia and critical thinking are on the decline. In this video, I'll show you how you can master multiple skills, dominate in different fields, and become someone built differently. Why polymathy matters. Polymathy is the ability to excel in multiple areas of knowledge. A polymath doesn't just dabble, they achieve mastery in diverse fields driven by relentless curiosity. Think of historical figures like Leonardo da Vinci, Marie Curie, or Benjamin Franklin. These people didn't just fit into one box. They were creators, scientists, inventors, and more. But isn't this just being a generalist? Not exactly. Generalists adapt, but polymaths strive for expertise. It's about depth versus breadth. Polymaths aim to truly master what they pursue. So why does society need polymaths? We live in a world that favors specialists. From a young age, society asks, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Expecting a single answer. While specialization is fine, it can lead to tunnel vision, leaving you with a narrow view of the world. Polymaths break free from this mold. By exploring different fields, they develop a broader perspective, enabling creativity and problem solving that specialists may overlook. Polymathy isn't about chasing perfection. It's about staying curious and committed to lifelong learning. Today's world is the best time to become a polymath, with technology giving us access to an abundance of knowledge for free at our fingertips. If you don't start now, you might regret it. Self-actualization. Mastering anything begins with mastering yourself. The journey of becoming a polymath starts with adopting a growth mindset, the belief that intelligence and skills can be developed through effort, not just innate talent. You are not limited by what you know today. The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. To succeed, you need to set realistic expectations. You can't master anything overnight. Ambition is essential, but you must pair it with action. Instead of setting big goals, focus on systems, consistent habits that you can follow every day. Systems are more reliable than complex plans that are hard to maintain. Your mental and physical health are the foundation of everything. Exercise regularly, eat well, and get enough sleep. Neglecting your health leads to burnout and poor focus. Good physical health helps build discipline and perseverance, traits that every polymath needs. Effective time management is crucial. Organize your tasks, prioritize them, and stick to a schedule. Procrastination is another challenge many face, but the best way to combat it is by starting with the easiest task first. Once you start, momentum builds and the task becomes easier. To avoid distractions, work in a distraction-free zone. Lock in and focus on what matters. Your phone and other gadgets are designed to distract you. Turn off notifications and eliminate distractions while working. Learn how to learn to become a master. You need to know how to learn. There are 4 criteria for mastery. 1. Repeated attempts with feedback. Practice thousands of hours paired with consistent feedback. 2. Valid environment. Mastery requires a predictable environment, not randomness. 3. Timely feedback. Immediate feedback helps experts adjust quickly. 4th. Deliberate practice. Continuously challenge yourself in weak areas. Learning happens in 3 stages. 1. Recollection, basic learning. Memorizing information. It's the foundation, but not the full picture. 2nd, interpretation, understanding. You can explain concepts in your own words and connect ideas. 3rd, application, mastery. You can solve complex problems, create new ideas, or teach others. On the journey to mastery, you'll face plateaus, times when progress seems slow. Don't get discouraged. Embrace these plateaus and keep practicing consistently. Seek guidance from mentors and find joy in the process, not just the outcome. Bonus tips for accelerating your learning. 1. Speed reading. Quickly go through material while retaining key information. 2. Memory techniques. Use methods like active recall and spaced repetition to improve retention. 3. Critical thinking. Analyze concepts deeply and connect them across fields. 4. Practice exams. Challenge yourself to push your limits. 5. Leverage technology. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to explain concepts, summarize materials, or generate practice questions. Becoming a polymath isn't about perfection. It's about being committed to the journey of growth and learning. Keep pushing forward, embrace challenges, and stay consistent. The journey itself is where the magic happens. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe and give a thumbs up. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.